AGM 2019, Jio showed off FIFA 19 running at high graphics on its set-top box. Cut to 2022, it is becoming a reality. Sort of. Jio's cloud gaming service, Jio Games Cloud, is here and it is actually surprisingly good. But there is one big problem. Now I'll get to that problem and I'll also tell you how to get early access to Jio Games Cloud. But first, what exactly is Jio Games Cloud? Well, Jio Games Cloud is an online cloud gaming platform similar to Nvidia's GeForce Now, Xbox Cloud Gaming, Amazon Luna, and the now discontinued Google Stadia. Now, in theory, with Jio Games Cloud, you'll be able to play any desktop games, including AAA titles, on any platform. Be it on a Windows laptop, MacBook, Chromebook, Android, iPhone, iPad, even set-top boxes, and that's the beauty of cloud gaming. Basically, all the games you see in Jio Games Cloud are installed on Jio servers, and you can simply stream them on your device. Sounds pretty awesome, right? So all you need is a compatible device and an internet connection with minimum speeds of 20 Mbps. Now, the question is, how does it all work? Well, it's actually pretty simple. On a laptop, I can just open the Jio Games Cloud website on the browser, go to Games, select any games like say Saints Row, and click on Play Now, and the game will start loading. It's all very simple. As you can see, the game is loading up like it would on a gaming PC or a console, and I can now start playing. Now, as for the gameplay experience, I found it to be pretty good. I mean, we tried out multiple games. For example, Grip Combat Racing is an arcade racing game that is fast-paced and it works almost flawlessly on Jio Games Cloud. You can see that the game has a lot of turns, jumps, and I was expecting the quality to degrade because this is a fast-paced game and this is cloud gaming. But apart from slight delayed times, it's all very good. Saints Row the Third is another game we tried, and this is a shooting arcade game, and the experience on this was good too. Turning the characters, shooting, reloading are all without any major lag. Honestly, I was pretty surprised with the performance of the games because we tried this on a mid-range laptop, aka the Asus K15 OLED, and it did not lag, did not heat up whatsoever, and it was like streaming a YouTube video except I was playing in the video. I know, sounds all wrong, but it's actually true. We even tried this on an M1 MacBook Pro and the experience once again was pretty good. The games run fine. Also, I like that you can play with the keyboard and mouse or you can connect a controller to get the full gaming experience. We tried out both the Xbox and PS5's DualSense controller and they both work without any problems. Now, this was basically my first cloud gaming experience and there are a few points I noted while trying this out. See, by default, the games are set to 720p 8 Mbps, but we maxed it out to 1080p 16 Mbps through this setting to push it to its limits, but it did not really affect the performance. Even in 1080p, there was no quality loss, screen tearing, or any rubber banding. There's also a question of latency in cloud gaming, and I did feel the latency sometimes, but it was very minimal, so it's not really a big problem. Apart from this, we also tried to adjust the in-game video settings, but Jio has that locked, as you can see. Another thing to note here is that the FPS is capped to 50 FPS, which I think Jio has done to make sure that the performance is consistent across all devices. Now, the best thing about cloud gaming is obviously the fact that you can play these games on multiple devices, including phones, so I obviously tried that. I mean, I tried it on an iPhone and it all works, but unlike on a laptop, we did notice scaling issues and there's also some screen tearing and loss of quality while gaming. Also, the touch response wasn't too good, but that is kind of solved if you just connect a controller and then play. Things are actually way better on Android because unlike on iPhones where you have to rely on the web app, here you can play these cloud games via the Jio Games app, so the performance is much better. I mean, it's not as good as the performance on laptop, but it's pretty good, it's pretty playable. The touch response issues in games remain, so yeah, even on Android, we preferred gaming via a controller, but the point is, this all works fine even on phones. Now remember that one big problem I mentioned at the start? Well, the problem is the selection of games. It's pretty bad. Look, right now, Jio Games has a selection of 51 games in various genres, and these games are good games, but very importantly, they are super old games. Most of these games are 10 or more years old now, and even though Jio demoed FIFA back in 2019, it's not here, and honestly, there are no AAA titles right now on this platform, which honestly kind of makes me a bit doubtful, and I'm not sure if I'll be using this again. Look, I know it's in beta right now, it's free, and maybe right now it's aimed at more casual users, but Jio has confirmed that Jio Games Cloud will have a monthly subscription. So if Jio wants us to pay a monthly fee, they will have to partner with big publishers and bring AAA titles to this platform. To give you an idea, Google paid Ubisoft and Take-Two millions of dollars to put the games on Stadia, which by the way is dead now, RIP. So Jio obviously has a tough task in front of it. I mean, credit where it's due, the Jio Games Cloud platform is live and it's working. And since Jio has partnered with Nvidia for this, we can expect it to work well even with AAA titles. So it's a good start and this has big potential. But if it goes on to be a big success, is something we'll have to wait and see. It's all about the big games. Now, if you do want to try out Jio Games Cloud, we have a detailed guide in the description which has step-by-step instructions on how you can get early access to this platform. So check it out, try out some games and comment down your experience with Jio Games Cloud. And yeah, also share this video with your friends and family who love playing games, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Make sure to share it, like I said, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. To check anyone's height using just your iPhone, all you need to do is open the Measure app, point it at someone, and it will tell you their height.